This is my home, not the computer world testing lab, and you can see who is faster, my 2009 Mac or the new MacBook. This is the MacBook. This is my setup for the camera. This is my home. Okay, let's do the test. Stop. Okay, this is my NAS home connect to the network. I select about 500 files about the same size as the computer world testing, and this should be much more complex, and 524 files should be more difficult to copy than the computer world environment, but more or less the same size. This is the copying to my MacBook hard disk. Okay, this is my NAS home, and I now connect to an NAS, and this is my folder, and I just randomly pick a backup of one about the same size of computer world size, which is 1.2 gigabyte, 1.2 GB, and I create a new folder, and I name it test 6, and this is test 6. And this is test 6, you can see, and I just put my mouse over here. Okay, and now I start my clock, and I place. Okay, stop, set, and I copy here. Copy this item, and this is test 6, and I start the clock, and I paste the item. This is a single file, which is much faster than 500 files. 1.2 gigabyte and 25 seconds. You can see 1.2 gigabyte a movie, 1.2 gigabyte movie. You see who is faster? me or completely world or the new MacBook.